Hello YouTube. Uh, Today I'm trying to fix my air fuel sensor in 2001 Toyota Camry, and if you guys want to know, this is the exact sensor that I'm trying to fix. So I have a code that started showing up, check engine light. I'll put the code description in the comment, or I'm sorry, in the video description. So So in order to change this, I was able to buy a spare part from eBay, and I'll just show you. This is the new fuel sensor that I'm trying to install, and I'm trying to remove the old one that is already in place right now, which seems to be the problem. So as you can see, I have sprayed my uh, the, the the nuts that the screw or that I want to loosen with the WD-40, and I was able to loosen this up. This is already loose, so I'm just going to loosen this up with my hands. Okay. They suggest that you run the engine for a few minutes before you try to take out the sensor. I did already, so I think it helps in removing the air fuel sensor. So you remove this cover. So you'll be able to remove this cover to access the air fuel sensor. And if you can see, I've just taken that connection out of the port where it was installed, and you will be able to see um, this point, this particular plastic piece, which you have to press, and while pressing this you have to detach this connection port. I am actually going to not be able to do it with one hand, but you have to loosen this one by pressing that, and once you loosen that, this and this part, you have to try to separate it out. I'm just going to pause the video right now and just going to remove that connection, but I just wanted to show you. You will have, this is the one you have to press when you're trying to detach. Okay, so by pressing that, you will be able to remove this, and this is the female socket that we will be inserting the new parts that we have. So it actually slides on to this one. Unfortunately, you can get a better picture by this. Like, it actually slides on to a location like this. It's pretty loose. I think it broke some plastic, so be careful when you're working with these sockets. They are brittle because the vehicle is pretty old right now. So, and for removing this air fuel sensor, what I used is a crescent wrench. So you will be able to adjust your crescent wrench to lock onto that sensor, and you'll be able to loosen that. Use some WD-40 before you loosen it, and as they suggest, run the engine for a few minutes. Let it be hot, not too hot that where you cannot work with this area, but you will be able to loosen that. So I've already used the crescent wrench and loosened this. It's still hot. So I'm going to pause the video right now, and I'll try to install the new sensor. So this is the new air fuel sensor that I bought from eBay, and this particular one already came with the anti-seize compound applied to the threads. So you just need to remove this plastic, and once you remove it, you will find the anti-seize compound. Just make sure that it's not going all over the place when you're trying to remove this one. And then we will be trying to install this one, and let me show you the one I removed right now, the damaged, if you might say that, a damaged air fuel sensor. This is how it looked. So I'm going to next I'm going to try to install the new one. So right now I have installed the new air fuel sensor, and just hand tight. At this point in time, I'm just done the hand tight part. I'll be using the crescent wrench to tighten this up. I do not know the specification on any torque levels on this one. Just going to wing it. So so let so this seems to be fitting, and the male connection looks similar to the female connection. So I'll be able to fix this once I tighten this up. So I'm just going to show you how to tighten this with the crescent wrench. I'm able to tighten the air fuel sensor with the crescent wrench like this, so you can follow the same. So I've tightened the new air fuel sensor. So if you could see, there is a part number for this. It's 89467330020, and to compare that to the old one, the old one is also Toyota 89467330020, which matches. So I think the parts match. So I'm just going to connect the socket. Sorry about that. So if you can see the socket, I think this is the side where the clip will attach to, and this is the the groove slides on. So I'm gonna push it. Okay, we heard a tick. The click was able to latch on. So we have connected this. I think I'm missing a clip that I could connect this wire to, but I think I'll just use a zip tie once I get my hands on one, to make sure that this wire is latched onto this so it doesn't stay loose. So I'm just going to remove this, and I'm going to start putting back the cover. I was just wanted to show you from beginning to end how to change the air fuel sensor. So if this video was helpful, please like it, and thanks for watching. You have a good day. Thanks. Bye.